Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a new video in which I'm gonna show you 30 types of different tops with their names and pictures as well. So first is blouse. A blouse top will be the perfect getaway for a casual outing. It has 3/4 full or half sleeves. You can tie it with skinny jeans, heels and flats. And then next is crop top. In crop tops, the front part is above the belly with stylish neck designs. You can tie it with skinny jeans, ripped jeans or jeggings, and in footwear you can tie it with pumps or sneakers. Then the third top is tank top. You can tie it with cool pair of shorts or palazzo, and in footwear you can tie it with sneakers, flip-flops or flat bellies. Then next is cami top. This top completely slays it as it has square on round neck and strap shoulders. You can tie it with shorts, and in footwear you can tie it with flat sandals. Then next is tube top. You can tie this tube top with jeans, shorts, palazzo and short skirt, and in footwear you can tie this top with pumps, sneakers or heels. Then next is tunic top. This top is a high-low hem garment and has an overlapped v-neck. You can tie this top with skinny or tapered jeans and flat sandals and sneakers as well. Then the next top is maxi or long line top. It has a slit at one side from your waist till your ankles. You can tie this top with jeggings or skinny jeans and heels. Then next is peplum top. When you want to hide your belly fat and still look stylish, then peplum top should be your pick. You can tie this top with trousers, skinny or ripped jeans, and in footwear you can tie this top with boots and pumps. Friends, the pictures I have mentioned here in this video, you can also purchase all these tops. I have mentioned all the links in description box. You can check it out and can purchase. Then here next is kaftan top. It has round or boat neck and tassels on the side with a loose fit. You can tie this top with trousers, shorts and jeans and gladiator flats and bellies. Then next is wrap top. It forms a v-neck due to overlapping style. This detailing looks stylish and you can tie this top with skirts, shorts, jeans and trousers. Then next is tulip top. This summer season try this overlapping pattern top from the front. It has sleeves with turned hems on the end side. You can tie this top with cool pair of shorts and palazzo, and in footwear, sneakers, flip-flops and flat bellies. The next is cold shoulder top. It has a cutout detail on the shoulders which adds a lot of glam. You can tie this top with skinny jeans, palazzo and jeggings. The next is asymmetric top. The asymmetric top has a bottom hem with uneven sides. It comes in long or short sleeves or can be even sleeveless. You can tie this top with white trousers or skinny jeans. Then next is cape top. It is suitable for all body types. You can tie this top with skinny jeans, jeggings. Then next is cinched waist top. Cinched waist top has an off-shoulder pattern and has an elastic detail on the waist. This top is a perfect choice for these summers. You can tie this top with knee-length skirts and jeans. Then next is shirt style top. The shirt pattern top has always been everyone's favorite and looks good on every body type. You can tie this top with slit skirt or skinny jeans. And then next is layer top. To carry a cute check look, you need the layer top. It has a flare woven in the middle that adds more style. You can tie this top with denim shorts or jeans. Then next is style back. Wear a halter neck top that has cutout detail at the back, and you can tie this top with shorts or jeans, and in footwear, gladiator flats, bellies and sneakers. Then next is one shoulder top. It can come with a great variations in sleeves, be it full, ruffled, sleeveless, etc. that flaunts one side of your shoulder. You can tie this top with jeans or trousers. Then 21st is high-low top. Wear the high-low hem pattern top that has half or full button plackets. Also can be in bot neck pattern. Then next is choker top. The choker neck with the cutout detail looks fantastic, and you can tie this top with half palazzo, short skirts. Then next is hooded top. For a casual day out or a picnic, you can wear the hoodie pattern top, and you can tie this top with skirts or jeans. And the next top is lace top. Apart from georgette, cotton, denim fabric, the lace pattern should also be tried once, and you can tie this top with shorts or skinny jeans. Then the 25th top is collar top. A Peter Pan collar or polo collar are usually preferred for a simple tops. And then our 26th top is halter neck top. You can also try this top and it also looks very stylish. And then 27th is keyhole neck top. This type of top has a small cutout or keyhole shaped opening on the U-shaped neckline. Then 28th design is raglan sleeve top. This type of top has sleeves which extend completely to the collar in one piece. Then next is spaghetti top. Sleeveless top with spaghetti straps joining the front and back bodies. And then last top is smock top. This refers to a loose top which has a gathered skirt attached to it that adds to the fullness. I hope guys you like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching guys.